welcome back to my channel. My name is Scrapqueen and today I like to give you an introduction to my new paper collection, Love Addiction it's called this time. And oh my goodness, yeah, I'm in love. I love the colors and all that's inside. So let's begin and check out what's inside. Alright, first of all, the theme. The theme is yeah, love, and yeah, we do have pastel colors, and yeah, I definitely can say love, 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 and romantic, and that kind of a theme, but still you can use it for any occasion, of course. Alright, so this time what do I have? Again, 48 sheets. So you have 12 double-sided papers, and that 4 times. So if I have one set of these, then you will get 4 times. So there are 48 papers. And they all are double-sided. So let me first introduce you. The grams are 190 grams and it's A4 size, 21 by 29.5 centimeters. And we have one bonus sheet, blah blah blah. Alright, so what is the bonus sheet? The bonus sheet is the back of the cover, and here you can cut out all those little extra things. I love the owls. I absolutely adore it. That's why I used it in this collection. Absolutely stunning. Alright, so that's the cover with the bonus sheet. So first of all, the first page you will look like, oh my gosh, I love using stripes. You do love, you know that I love it. And so I could not resist making again a nice sheet of strips. Look at that. That's the purple collection, and this is the blue collection. Super cute. And then we have also the brown section. Super cool. I love it. Oh, these butterflies I absolutely adore. So much fun to make these. Absolutely amazing. Love it. Alright, and I do love this one also. You can cut these out and have little words to put under your photo or under a card or something. So it's called My Love, My Everything, Notes, I Wish, You and Me, You Are My Sunshine, and Together. And you will get 2 of these, and the last one, unfortunately it did cut off, but that's okay. You do have 2. This one actually says, my soulmate, lovely, dreams comes true, memories, love you till the moon and back. So that's super cool. And these words actually were the same as this one, so you don't miss anything. You do have 2 that you can cut out. Alright, so let's go to the back. The back you have these lilac colored ornaments. Give you a close look. The back is plain white, so very bright and nice to use. Alright, then we go to the next page. I created 4 nice tags. Thinking of you, I wish I met you sooner so I could love you longer. How did I get so lucky to have you in my life? I fell for you and I'm still falling. Super cute. Love it, love it, love it. I used the background with my papers and everything. Super cool. I hope you'll like it too. I want to give you a close look on how they look like. And then the back, stripes. Yeah, stripes with a lot of nice little spickles. I love it. To make it not too bright. Give it a little vintage look. Love it. Super cool. Yeah. You know I do love stripes. I can't get enough of these. Then we have this matching paper. On this side is nice purple one. And we have some bottles and how you call feathers. Alright, I'll give you a close look. So you have some bottles and some feathers here and there. Very small but super cute to use this. Very easy to use also. And also the spickles, same as on this one. And then for this on the back, stripes! Yeah, I love it. But this can't. I just can't leave this out of collection. I love these way too much. Always so nice to cut strips and glue down. And then a little cloudy on the back. Super cool. Then we have a cut apart sheet with 9 of these tags. Always nice to use them. Plain one. You can journal on it. There was also some journaling on it. Journaling tags. Super cool. Very nice. If I may say so for myself. Super cool. Alright, then the back. Oh, I love this. I absolutely love this. Oh my goodness. Yep. Give me a long time to do this, but I finally got it somehow and I just love it. So here we have this plate sheet. Fits with everything, guys. Absolutely. You can use this on anything, not only this collection, but oh my goodness. Love. Then we have this bluish purple one with all kind of feathers. Let me give you a close look. Super cool. I love it. And also the spickles on the back to give it a nice touch. And then the back, yeah, dots. Look at these dots. Nice, same blue color as this one. Super cool. Look at this. Matches so nice. Here I added some of the stamps on the background, some, but not too bright to be seen, but there are some writings on the back to give you not a totally clear dot paper. Then we have another cut apart sheet where I added quite a lot on. We do have some stamps at the bottom. So nice to use them. We have some labels. Love is in the air. Addicted to love, or love is. Of course we do have some circles which you can use for those twine closures. Then we have another row of labels. Love, true love, it's only you. And then nice little tags which you can use for everything. And then the smallest tags, I definitely fall in love with those. Super cute. I love it. Sometimes the smaller the better, in my opinion. And then for the back, yes, stripes, but then in a different color, blue. I love it. Super cool. Alright, then we go to this one. This I absolutely love. This we come to the lilac. Here I added some bigger feathers. Look at that. Oh, to dream of. Absolutely stunning. I love it. Alright, and then also some spickles on the behind to make it a very dreamery theme. Love it. And then the back, yeah, we go back with the lilac, and here I added these diamond shape, but I also give it a little grungy or vintage look with a little of the extra things at the sides, just to give it just a little extra. Super cool. Then we have this lilac page where I added some text on it. Perfect just the way you are perfect just as you are today. because that is where you are meant to be. No need to hurry. May every day be a day we celebrate love, and so on and so on. So yeah, and then this is on a closer look how it looks. Very nice lilac color. It doesn't come that perfect on the camera, but it's a very nice lilac color. And then for the back, I brought back those ornaments we showed earlier. And then this time we have a beige color. Very good to use on every page. A nice beige color of this ornament. And then we have again the plate, but then in the purple. Well, it's not lilac, it's not purple, it's kind of a mauve color. Something like that. I really like it. I love the colors that come back every once in a while. Super cool. I love this one. Yay! And then for the back there is the same sheet with the words, but then in the beige color are the words, and then the back is nice plain and white. So super nice and easy to use. And then we have this sheet back, but then with the mauve color on the back and also the small feathers. Here we go. Also beige. I don't know, is it mauve or beige? And I see it here on my light. Yeah, you will see it when you get it in your hands. And then the back, this is definitely beige. Beige. See, this is just a little... No, it's beige. It's a beige color. Mauve beige. Something like that, but it's the same color. Alright, so here we have the diamond back again. It's the first time that I see it in my hands. I'm super excited. And it's always different when I see it on my computer, or I will see it here in my hands with all the daylight lamps on it. So it's totally different. Love it. And then this one. Oh my gosh, I love this one. I love the busyness inside, but still all the pastel colors comes together, and I love it. It's so cool. And then you will see the owl coming back here once in a while, and all the feathers and the little hearts and everything. So it's a nice busy page, but oh my goodness, all the elements coming back inside. I just love it. Super cool. Yep. And then the back, yeah, we have the pink. Alright, so the background is pink, and then we do have some white dots. Look how easy this is. Super nice and so easy to use. Oh my goodness. Also here some stamps and some lyrics on the background. And then we have this pink one. Oh my goodness. I love it, love it, love it. Yeah, you can't imagine. If you see this on my printer when I was making these, and then see it for the first time in your hand, that is totally amazing. Alright, to give you a close look. So we have a nice light pink on the back, and then all these cute romantic items on the front. Super cool. And then the back, yeah. We have some pink stripes. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I love that so much. Yeah, you know that already, that I love it so much. So what do you think? What do you think about this collection? I always like to give a closer look on how it looks when you put these in a... I call this actually. I have no idea. But just to show you how nice this looks. And if I will put another set with it, then I can show you the back of each page. And then it is even more perfect. Let me show you how beautiful this all matched. Cool, look at that. So each time I grab the next one with the back in it. Same as this one. And then the back has this. This is also always the way how I add my papers. And I'm gonna leave it beside me. So if I'm gonna choose my papers, then I'm just have all in one side. And as you can see, I try to make dark with light. Here we go. And same thing with this one. There you go. Look at that. Do you like it? What do you think about this? I love it so much. Okay guys, so I hope you like it too. I hope you like my new collection, Love Addiction. So right here in front of me are 2 sets, but you get 4 of course. So there are 48 sheets guys in one pack. That's a lot. I know. I love it. And the bonus sheet is on the back of the cover to cut out all these little elements. Alright guys, I hope you like it. So yeah, let's see what we can make with this. Check it out guys. Check it out, check it out. And if you like to order this pack, just send me an email. My email is under every single video to be found. Alright, see you. But first let me make something with this.